This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so last class we have been talking about objects. We have seen how to create a field. We have seen how to go ahead and create a record type. We have seen how to go ahead and create a layout. We have also seen how to go ahead and create a compact layout. Now today we will start with a new topic called as formulas. Right? If you remember, in the last class, I asked you to please review formulas before you start or you come to, you join today's class. Now, I know that most of you might have ignored it, right, as usual. Now, that's a part from the student side, right? So you're doing that, and I'm not surprised with that, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and start. Now, I'm in Excel, right? And I have something called as marks. Let's assume that I have 98, 56, 34, 79, enter 12, 98, 72, 45, 56, 69, 88, something. I want a grade here, right? I want a grade here. Now, whenever it's greater than 90, I want A grade. Between 70 to 90, I want system to put B grade. Between 50 to 70, I want system to put C grade. Anything less than, okay, it's wrong. Right. Anything less than 50, I want D grade. I want D grade. How many of you are confident you can write this formula? How many of you are confident that you can write this formula? I want system to automate calculate the grade here. How many of you think that you can do it? No one? No one in the class? Strange, guys. Okay, no problem. Everyone can hear me, right? By the way, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can hear.
Yes.
So equals to, if, mute please, if this column field is greater than 90, then I want A grade. Else, I want B grade. First, a simple formula I'm doing. Anything above 90 will be A grade. Anything below 90 will be B grade. Automatically, system is calculating A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. I don't want this. I don't want this simple one. Deleting it. Delete. Once again, I'm making it a little bigger for you now. Little bit wider and bigger. Equals to, if this is equals to, if this field is greater than 90, then I want A grade. Perfect. Else, so that your Excel is helping you. Value if false. Again if. Now I have two values. And says logic 1, logic 2, logic 3. This is greater than equal to 70, right, comma. This field is less than, right, 90, right, greater than 70 or less than 90, right? Here I will say that greater than or equal to 90, less than 90, and close bracket. Then I want B grade. Else, if and because I have two conditions, this field is greater than 50, comma, this field is greater than, or sorry, less than, what is that? 70. I'll say greater than equal to 50, less than 70. Then bracket close. What do you want? I want C grade. Else, do you want to continue? No, I want to stop. I want D grade. Purple, purple close. Red, red close. Black, black close. Black is the final. Press enter. There we go. You have the grade everywhere. You have the grade everywhere. Type anything. 78. As soon as I press enter, I should be expecting B. There we go. 93. As soon as you press enter, you should be expecting A. There we go. A. Right? What else? Right? 54. Between 50 to 70 C. As soon as I press enter, expecting C. C. 12. Below 50. Expecting D. See? I'm typing it. System is giving me, and this is the formula. This is the formula that I have written. This is the formula I have written. Right? Let's go ahead. Copy this formula. Control C. I'll paste it first in your chat window. I'm writing very simple formulas, guys. These are simple formulas. These are, I have just used if and and. That's it. Nothing else here. These are simple formulas. Now, what is the link of formula to Salesforce? Let's go ahead and see. Let's go ahead and find it out. I log in, Rupam @OF100.101.com, password CRM1234 hash. CRM1234 hash. Let's log in. If you remember that, we have a blood percentage, RBC. I want whenever somebody enters above 90 RBC, system should say A grade patient. Anybody enters blood group between 70 to 90, it should be B grade patient. 50 to 70, C grade patient. Anyone blood RBC percentage less than 50 is a D grade patient. That's my requirement. Object manager, objects and fields, object manager, goes down, go down, look for patient object. Look for patient object. I click on fields and relationship. Click on new field. This time I select formula field. Formula field. Click next. What is the expected outcome? A, B, C, D. Text. Great. What I'm expecting a text out of it. Click next. Here I will paste the formula. Here I will paste the formula. The formula which I've just written in Excel. Already equal to there, so you don't need equal to then here. Already equal to is there. If A2, in the place of A2, I will say what? I will say advanced formula, insert field. In the place of, I will say patient blood percentage. Right? You can say that. Patient plus percentage. Okay. For the moment, let me put it here. Insert RBC percentage. Insert. I copy this. Control C. Wherever A2 is there, if A2 blood percentage is greater than 90, then A. If blood percentage is greater than 70 and blood percentage is less than 90, okay, Control C. If blood percentage is greater than 50 and blood percentage is less than 70, I'm deleting the field. Will it work? No. Why? Because it's a percentage field. What field we have taken? It's a percentage field. Percentages mean divide by 100. Divide by 100 means 90 divided by 100 is 0.9. 70 divided by 100 is 0.7. 90% means 90 by 100. That means 0.9. Here 0.5. Everywhere here 0.7. 0.70. Scroll down, click on check syntax. No error found. Formula in Excel, I brought it here. Formula in Excel, I brought it here. That's exactly why I asked you to do Excel review yesterday before coming to this class. Right? I go ahead, click next. Right? Click next. Right? All the page layout, yes, save. A grade has been created. Field. What field? Formula field. What it will do? It will automatically calculate. Where is that grade? It's a formula field. You can see that. It's a formula field. This will calculate automatically the grade of a patient. A grade patient, B grade patient, depending on the blood percentage that you enter. Depending on the blood percentage that you enter. Depending on the blood percentage that you enter. Right? Next, I want to calculate the age. I want to calculate the age. For example, 19, okay, 17 NOV November 1984. Let's calculate my age. Where I stand. Tell me, how will you do and calculate the age here? Tell me. I gave you my date of birth here. First, give me the age. I don't want in days and months. Give me years. What you'll do?
Subtract 2020 minus 1984.
Why you're saying 2020?
Current year.
Right. To my next year, what will be? Again, you will come and you will change the code. Next year,
No.
I'll ask you then again, will you be there in that company for next year? No. Then whoever comes in your place will be scolding you. Who's that? Right? Today is 2020, but tomorrow, right after 1 year, it will be 2021. Then will you change the program again? So tell me.
No.
Give me a program which will work. You don't need anyone to change it. For example, this program, do you need anyone to change? After 100 years also, this program will give you ABCD only. I want that today my age is this. Next year, what is my age? I don't want anybody to type. System should automatically give. So tell in that way.
Just put that today also.
Sorry?
When you enter the formula, when you
What is
enter
it?
the formula,
Uh-huh.
when you put that the today, it's
Today.
automatically catch that the years. Yeah.
If I say equals to today, today is a function available. Enter. It will give you today's date. Now, can you tell me the formula?
That the previous C section.
So you want to do this minus this? This is what you want to do?
It's
You see what I'm getting?
no, actually, yeah, actually that put there the.
Tell me.
Let me check. Yeah,
Like
wait.
today minus your date of birth column, I mean to say.
So you're saying TODAY today
Yeah,
minus,
whatever the minus.
yeah, this is what you're saying, right? Press
Yes.
enter.
Right.
What I'm getting?
8 November 35.
My age is 8 November 35. Huh? What, man? What you people are doing?
Wait.
I'm asking you. See, these are, that's the reason I told you. Tomorrow only I asked you. Don't say that you know Excel, because I know that nobody knows Excel in the class. Right? Just entering a data doesn't mean Excel. right? Okay, let's do it. First, equals to year of today, year of today. Take the year out from today, minus year of the date that I'm giving you, right? What I'm getting, don't worry, it's custom to number, decimal, change it. See, this is how it will come. See the formula. Okay, if it's confusing, let me drag this all to other side. There it is. See, year of today minus year of this. These are simple things. Least simple things I'm showing you, right? Least simple things. Year of today minus. Now, whichever year you open this sheet, it will give you the age. Next year when you open, it will give you 37. Next to next year open, it will give you 38. I need not to. I'm not hard coding the values, right? My date of birth is static, but whereas my year is not. It's today. Today will change every day. I'm not hard coding 2020 here, right? This is how you have to write the formula. This is how you have to write the formula. But in Salesforce, there are two types of data available. I'll give you a little hard homework now today. When I click on new, how many date fields are there? 2 date fields are there. One says date, one says date and time. One says date, one says date and time. Right? One says date, one says date and time. Today's homework is that calculate date of birth in Salesforce. I want age, calculate the age based on date of birth and time in Salesforce. Date and time contains date, month, year, hours, minute. Whereas date contains date, DD, YY. Whereas the second one, date and time contains DD, YY, RR. I'm giving you, it's a one-line command, guys. Find it for me. Now, once again, I take formula. I click next. I will say, right? I will say ADMISSI, admission days. How many days it's over? How many days it's over? Whenever the patient is admitted, from the registration day to today, I want to calculate. Right? I want system to put not the numbers, but I want a text 28 days. Like my output should be what? Not 36. My output should not be 36. 36 years. I want here 36 years like this. Tell me what you'll do. I don't want this output. I want like this. Tell me what you'll do. Simple. Plus YARS. No. You have to convert everything into text. So that I'm making slowly, I'm making things complex. Right? Control Z. Now it's giving me a number. I want field to look like this. 36 years. Is it a number? It's a text. How will you do that? Equals to text of year plus years. Right? Any problem? Oh, no plus. And sorry. And press enter. You have entered too many arguments in a function. Okay, let us check it out. Right? Text of. Right? Let's Control Z, slowly, step by step. Okay. What happened? Something works. Okay. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Okay, 36. Right. I want this year calculation is going on. Year of, right? Minus this. I want text of, right? Text of year of, right? Anything I have to convert? No. See, text of year of. If I press enter, too many arguments, right? And you have entered too many. So there are many things which you have to be very careful sometimes. I'm getting text. Now let's do one thing. Reverse the whole story. I'm reversing. Escape. Equals to txt text of, right? This. No, because it says comma value comma formatted text. It's asking, right? Whenever I want to convert, what is this? See, it has two parameters, values, formatted text. That was the reason I was telling you to go ahead and check these formulas. How you can go ahead, right? See, text of E5, comma, right? 0, 36. It converted this number to a text now. See, plus or and yes, YARS. YARS. See, 36 years. Oh, space, right? And space and years. See, you change the date of birth 1984 to 1985. See, 35 years. I can put this all in one function, but if I put it, you'll get confused. That's the reason. Now I will put it in all in one function. Text of. Text of. By the way, I'm teaching you Excel now. This is actually not my job. I'm not here to teach you Excel. Comma 0 and space and space YEARS. See, now delete it. Done. 1984. See, 36 years. The way I want, this is the way I want. Now see that? I'm getting the way I want. What is the formula? See it. Text of, year of, today of, minus year of, comma 0 and a space and this. Now, please do not expect me to teach you Excel here. If somebody is over expecting for me to teach Excel, I'm sorry. Right? These are all Excel. Right? All Microsoft Excel. Right? Same Microsoft Excel formulas are also can be used in Salesforce. Right? Let me go ahead. Any calculations, you need to have an Excel formula. Any calculation you perform, you need to have an Excel formula. Now let's do the same thing in Salesforce. Let's come here. Admission days. I'm finally, what is my output? Text. Finally, my output is text. Why? Because I'm saying 36 days, 12 days, 10 days, number plus text equals to text. I'm not saying 12, then it's a number. Then I'd have taken number field. I'm saying I'm getting a text field. Click next. Right? So equals to is already there. Here it is. Right? What is that? Date and time. Right? You see? Time, today, year. Today. Returns current date. Today. Year of. Okay, let me make the screen bigger so that you can see it. YEAR, year. No problem. Year of today. year of today, minus YA, year of the field. Which field? Registration date field. Registration date. Registration date. Insert. Year of registration date. Year of registration date. Year of today minus year of registration. Right? All the brackets, writing a formula is easy. Right? I will say text of. Text of. Text of. Plus. Right? Plus. Let's say days. Days. Oh, plus space. Plus days. Let's see. It might give error. No surprises. Right? Syntax error. Let's check it out. Scroll down. Right? No error. All perfect. Is that text of year of today minus year of registration? Then whatever first I'm taking today, I'm taking that year out. I'm taking the registration date, taking the year out. From today, I'm subtracting the year. Right? I will get 1 year. Okay, year. Right? I'll say year. Okay, now years. Yeah. If it's more than 1, then I want years. If you want to make more complicated, let's go ahead. If what? If what? Right? See, I'm making it more complicated for you. If Control C. If what? Year of today minus this, right, is greater than 1. If then I want this. Control X. I want this. Else I want this. If it's greater than, then it will say years. 1s. If it is less than 1, it will say year. I just have a bracket problem. That's it. Right? You have to be very careful on brackets. The only problem is that brackets. Right? Now I know that there will be bracket issue. As soon as I click on it, syntax error. Formula is correct. Right? But there will be only problem is brackets sometimes. Formula is correct. Always check the brackets, guys. Right? This is, here it is. Year of today. Year of today. It's closing. Year of this, comma, this is greater than, right? Text of is greater than 1. Then text of year minus this plus this equals to, right? Okay, anyhow, it's giving correct, no? Fine. Always check the brackets. See how you're writing the formula. If I give 2020 as a registration date, today is, sorry, if I give 2015, what is today? Today is 2020. What is the difference? 5. Then I'll get 5 years. Whenever it's greater than 1, I will get years. Here it's a years. S is the only difference. If not, then I will get year. Click next. Click next. Click save. Let's go ahead and see. Right click, new tab. Right click, new tab. Guys, able to understand? Yes or no? Everyone, what I'm doing here? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Others. Others.
Yes, sir.
I'm writing Microsoft Excel. That's it. Right. Formula field. I'm using a formulas to do calculation. Now we will do a little bit more calculation, couple of them, and then because this is required in a lot of classes now. The next concept called validation rule. You need this. Next concept immediately after this, I'll start validation rule. There also we need this. Right. Okay. View all. I go to the hospital management. Let me open a patient here. Let me see the fields are automatically available or not. See, grade D. First, let test grade. Grade D is completely dependent on what is that? Your blood RBC percentage. I change the RBC percentage from 98 and I click on save. Immediately you see that the grade will change to A. See, A grade patient. See, A grade patient. Here it is below the name, grade A. I just highlighted. I scroll down. I change it to 56 or let's say 78. I will get B grade patient. See, B grade patient. Now let us go ahead. Registration, right? I change it to 2000, sorry, 2019, right? Some data I'm clicking. I click on save. 1 year, 1 year. I change it to 2015, 5 years. 2015. Oh, I didn't say it's like that. 2015. I click on save. 5 years. See, years. Greater than 1. Admission days, 5 years. The label is not correct, so you can correct the label. See, based on date field, I'm calculating. These two are formula fields. Can you change these fields? No, they are based on this field calculations. They are based on this calculation, right? What else? Yes, able to understand? Same thing what you're doing in Excel, same thing I'm doing there, guys. Same thing, text of year of whatever I've taken. Same formula I've copied there. Same formula I've copied there. Now, for example, let's say that 12% tax. I'm just taking it. Today you'll have a lot of homeworks. Your whole weekend, I'll convert it to deadly silence. This weekend is going to get spoiled now. 12%. Whatever the registration fee is there, on that I want to charge 12%. Let's go ahead and do one more formula field. Development. New. What is that? I'll say formula. Click next. What is that? Total fee. Registration. Total fee inclusive INCL inclusive, right? GST. Yep. Yes, no. Can you hear me, guys?
Yeah, in between it was breaking, so
Okay, that's good. Sorry, I just
Yeah, we are here.
one minute. Let me change you to my headset. Dell speaker. It's going to another area. One minute. Okay. So total fee inclusive GST. Click next. Right. What is that? I want it to be a currency field. 2 decimal places. Okay. Click next. Right. What is the formula? Equals to 12 divided by 100 into, let's say that 12.5 is the GST. 12.5, 6.25, 6.25. 6.25 SGST, state GST, 6.25 central GST, total 12.5% GST into, done. Which field do you want? Registration fee. Insert. Over. If you want to put a bracket, your wish, put bracket. No, this whole bracket plus registration fee. This will only give you what? 12.5% of this plus registration fee. That's the formula, GST formula. Calculation. I go ahead. Error found. Oh, equal to is already there, no? So y equal to e. Thus, check syntax. No error found. See, 12.5% GST. I'm adding to my registration fee. 500. 500 12% is 60. So total amount is 560. See, somebody was looking for all these calculations. No, there we go. You're in. Tell me if you want me to write any other calculations. Your wish. Whatever. See, 562.50. Total fee inclusive GST because he paid 500. 500 into 12.5. Do and check it out. 12.5 percentage of 500 plus 500. So 500 is the fee, 62.50 is the GST. Total 562 inclusive GST. Field. See, I change the amount. I make it 1000. Obviously 12.5% of 1000 is 120. 125. So you can see that as soon as I click on save, system will say 1000 plus 125 equals to 1125. Automatically calculating. Automatically calculating. You can write any calculation. If you know the formula, any calculations you can do on the page. Any calculation can be done on the page. Clear? Formula field. Anybody has any questions? In my study material, I gave you 30 complex formulas. Complex formulas. Business requirement formulas. Formulas that are used in the real-time environment I've given you. These are also comes in real-time environment. Don't think that I'm just teaching you something. Age calculation, right? These calculation, this comes. So you can write anything with help of formulas. Clear? Next topic. Validation rule. My mobile number should be a 10 digit. What is the number here? 5 digit. How can you validate 10 digit number there? How can you validate 10 digit number there? Right? You know that while creating this field, you might have given stating that the highest, it's a number field you might have taken, and you might have given, what is that? Only 10 digits can be accepted. When you say 10 digit, it is up to 10 digit. That means you cannot write more than 10. Right? I change this field. I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1. As soon as I hit save, it will give me an error. See? Out of range. I give 10 digit 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Save. It's saved. But if I remove this to 8 digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, saving. No, I want the mobile number cannot be less than 10 digit, cannot be more than 10 digit. More than 10 digit, anyhow system is taking care because I gave number of highest, right? The digit support is 10. I gave up to 10 it's taking. How can I write it? Again, the formula, guys. Now let's go ahead and see. I go to my development screen. I will scroll down to place called as validation rules. Validation rules. Here we will write new. What is the validation rule? Mobile check. To check mobile numbers, number to 10 digit. To check mobile number to 10 digit. Same thing formula. What is that? Right? Mobile field. What is the mobile field? Right? Insert. What is the mobile field? Mobile number. Mobile number. If what? If len of len means length. Len means length. Those who don't know. RUPOM Rupam. How many alphabets are there in that? 5. How will you count? Equals to len of this. System will give you 5. CHAKRABORTY. Enter 17. Number of character in my name is 17. It's giving len. Len of. Len. Len of. Those who are hearing for the first time, I can't help. These are all text formulas, right? Here I am taking len. Returns the number of characters in a text string. In a text string. Mobile number is what? It's a number field. Here also there's a len. Logic. If, null, not. See, formulas are there. Text. In the text you have len. Returns the number of characters for a text string. If I say check syntax, it will give me an error because this is a number field mobile. So first what I have to do, I have to convert the number to a text. Len of text of, close the bracket so that you don't get confused the bracket. Len of text of, text of. Here I want to enter the field mobile number. Mobile number. Len of text of mobile number. Check syntax. Right? Formula result is data type is number. Right? Incompatible with data type true or false. Anything that you write here, it has to return to true or false. Invalidation, true or false. If true, system will show error. So len of this is greater than 10. Or sorry, less than 10. Less than 10. Check syntax. No error. Len of text of mobile is less than 10 because greater than already I have seen. Suppose you want to check both. Then what you will say? You will say and will take two values. First value, comma, second value. Here, greater than 10, less than 10. If length of text is greater than 10 or length of text is less than 10. So 11 is greater than 10, error. 9 is less than 10, error. So only it will take 10. Length of. But already I'm not writing this part because while creating, I have taken a number. In the number, I have said 10 digit. That's the reason anything above 10 system is already handling it. So I'm just writing one part of it, less than. So I'm removing this. For others, I'm pinging it. Always remember that the validation rule should turn to true or false. True or false. Whenever it's true, right? If length of, if you don't need to write if, length of mobile phone is less than 10, then what? Error message. What is the error message? Mobile number cannot be Incorrect mobile number. Where do you want to display? Top of the page? No. I want to display near the field. Which field? Mobile field. See? Nothing. I'm creating a validation rule. Here also formula, guys. Save. There we go. Refresh. Refreshing it so that things takes effect. I go to the patient. I open a patient. Now you see 7. Save. See? Incorrect mobile number. Our message is coming up. You can't save now. 1 2. Save. See? Incorrect mobile number. Mobile number cannot be less than or greater than 10 digit. Unless and until put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Save. It will save the record. Other than 10 digit number, if you put anything else, other than 10 digit, if you put anything else, system will not take it. See, mobile field validation. Mobile field validation. You can do complex validation, guys. Complex. I'm showing you the simple validations. Now, nobody can enter less than 10 digit or more than 10 digit. Mobile number has to be a perfect mobile number. Right? Next. I don't want anybody to enter here 2 digit RB, AS, SP Balasubramaniam. Sad that one of the greatest classical singer is no more with us today. Right? So I don't want somebody to enter SP here in the first name. I want to validate that. Right? Validation rule. Back to patient. I'll scroll down, click on validation rule. New validation rule. What is that? Name validation. First name validation. First name validation. You don't need to write if. Here it has to be true or false. Always look for true. Whenever true, then system will give that means look for the error. Hope that there is error. Then only you give error message. Let's say that, right? What? Lenoff. Simple. This is the most simplest. First name. Passenger first name or patient first name. Lenoff is less than 2. Less than 2. Less than equal to 2. Then give error. Name. First name cannot be too short. Too short. First name. Three character. I want to display this message. Where do you want to display? Top of the page? No, near the field. Which field? Patient first name field. Check syntax. Click on check syntax. No error found. Click on save. Right? I'm writing a validation rule. Whenever length of patient first name is less than or equal to 2, then there is a error message. Minimum character will be accepted as 3 now. Let's go ahead, refresh and check it out. I click on patient. Guys, able to understand everyone? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Others? Right? I open it. Patient first name. RB. Save. Too short name. First name cannot be less than 3 characters. Too short name. R A R R Malhotra. Too short. See, I can now go ahead and check inside it whether they have entered a number or not in the name field. Find it out how to do that. How to check the number, find it out. Right? Too short. Clear now? RAVI or 3. Then it will save it. Save. It saves. Minimum 3 characters required. I don't want anybody to give registration fee less than 300. Go ahead. Once again, I'm writing a validation rule. Validation rule. New validation rule. What is this? I will say reg fee check. I will say insert registration fee if it's less than 300. Checks and tax. No error. Then registration fee cannot be less than 00. Field. Which field? I want in front of the registration fee. Save. Over. See how simple we are writing the validation rule and using it in our project. In real time also you have to write like this. I'm refreshing this page again to make sure that you can do anything, Vishwajit. You can symbol, special characters, numbers. Find out, write a formula, do that in the Excel sheet first. In Rupam, somebody has entered in between a hash. Immediately I should get incorrect data in this field. In the column, I should get incorrect data. If you're able to write in Excel, you're able to write there. I'm not doing any rocket science. Right? So that's it. Now see that even if it's apply for the new one also. New. What is that? Right? I give the patient AB, right? Right? AB, AB, Pandey. AB Pandey. Right? Anand Bihari Pandey. So AB Pandey. Mobile number 123456. Right? Registration fee 250. I click on save. See that? All the errors. Registration fee cannot be less than 300. Incorrect mobile number cannot be less than or greater than 10 digit. Too short name. Just give me a sec, I'm getting a call. Hello. గాంధీ స్టాచ్యూ నుంచి లెఫ్ట్ తీసుకోండి, 4th రైట్ టర్న్. గాంధీ స్టాచ్యూ నుంచి లెఫ్ట్, 4th రైట్ డెడ్ ఎండ్, కనకదుర్గ టెంపుల్. అక్కడ టెంపుల్ పక్కనే ఇల్లు ఉంటుంది, ఆ చైర్ ఉంటుంది, ఆ చైర్ వేసింది. ఓకే, చైర్ వేసి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. Okay, now you see. So see, all the errors are coming up. Too short, right? A-N-A-N-A-N-D, Anand Bihari. Safe. 1 is gone. Now 2 is still there. Phone number 9888 Safe. This is phone number is correct. See, registration fee cannot be less than 300. 350. Safe. It saves the record. How I'm using my right? Clear now? How I'm using my validation rules. All the formulas. Finally, it's all the formulas, guys. The whole game is about formulas. Right? So this is the way it's working. Everybody clear? It's same. There's nothing, Murli, in classic or this thing. I told you, if I'm not going to classic, it's the same thing. Only if there's a difference, I'll go to
Okay,
classic.
sir. Okay, sir.
If there's a difference, definitely I'll go to classic. You need not to tell me. I'll go there and I'll show you. Once, when there is no difference, I'll not go. Right? But still, you asked, no? So, tathastu. Let's complete that also. Switch to classic. So you guys need not remind me to go to classic. Whenever there's a difference, I will immediately come to classic and I'll show you. Wherever there's a difference, before you tell, I'll come to classic. Right? So in classic, I go on setup. Setup where? Right? Customize. Customize what? Right? See, these are your system objects. All the system objects, accounts, contacts, leads, if you want to customize. I want to develop, right? Your will be under the create object. Here you have the patient. You see that? The patient. Same thing now, right? Patient. See, new fields you can create. New, click on new field. There we go, the formula field. Formula. Click next. In classic, I'm showing now. Same thing, you'll write the formula. I say cancel. Validation rule, scroll down. Page layout, validation rule. See, already 3 rules are here, which we created. Click on new validation rule. Same screen. Validation rule name, check, and the message. There's no change in the screen. You write the rule here, you write the message here, top of the page or in the front of the field. Same thing. Same thing. Under create, under object. Clear? That's the reason I was not going there, because it's all the same. There's no change in classic also. Everything that we have seen, we have created a right custom fields here. You want to create a page layout here. Create a new page layout. We created yesterday page, patient layout, VIP layout, walking layout. Compact layout, we created mobile BIP, this one. You create a record type, scroll down, here's a record type, VPL patient, normal patient, you want to create a new one. No change at all, only thing is the appearance change, that's it. Otherwise, no change. Right, I'm switching to lightning again. Is it okay, Murli? Fine? Same thing.
Yes, sir.
Same
Thank you.
thing, what I'm doing here, so same thing is there, no change in the screen. Right, there it's under create,
Okay,
it's
sir.
object.
Thank you.
Right. Welcome. Right? Everybody understood how to write a formula field and how to write a validation field? Both are same. Both are same. Now I will give you a homework. Yes, tell me. Anybody has any questions? Now, I'll
Yeah,
give you
so
2
if
levels
we
of
want
homework.
to insert, the country code with the mobile number from the drop-down list, do we need to do that from the programming, or we can do it from here itself?
You have a drop-down box, no?
I
Don't
mean,
you have a
if
drop-down
you
box?
want to get the list of the country codes, do we need to write any formula there, or
Yes, yesterday we created neurology, ENT, ophthalmology. Did we write any formula?
no?
Then why can't you create a list of all the country code plus 91 plus 001 plus 0088? With me, what I'm saying, yes or no? If not, then say no, sir. I'm not able to understand. Clearly call it out.
I do get it. I do get it.
Right? We need not to write any formula fields. I mean, sorry, we don't need to write any code. I entered the neurology same way. If you know 100, copy and paste from the Excel sheet in that list, and you'll get a drop down. Right? Arrange the drop down as per your requirement. Create one more field called phone number. Before than that, create a drop down. That's how it works. So you will select +91, and then in the next field you will type the number. That's it. That's the way you do. You can do it. No programming required. Yes, good, everyone. Now, homework. Right? Homework. This field is available. Whichever is available, I'm saying green. Whichever is not there, right? Right? This is not there. You have to create it. Condition I'm giving you. This GST has to be calculated depending on the department. If I select neuro, 500 plus 12.5%. If I select from here in the pick list, if I select ortho, I should get 5.4. If I select gyno, then here it should be calculated how much? What is the gyno? 15.6. 15.6 divided by 100 into this. I want gynecology to be calculated like this. Plus this. Total fee, total is 579. If he is paying 600, then total amount is 694.8. Because the department is neuro. I want you to write this. Whichever is yellow, you will write. Green, already there. Level 1 homework. Write a formula field. This is the field you have to write. Understood the homework?
Yes.
Level 1. Level 2.
So there, I think twice you have mentioned ENT. I think the percentage.
Sorry?
I mean, whatever that you have mentioned down, right? I mean, 2 times you might have used ENT. I think so. Whereas
That's okay.
PQ's value, just
Take anything, guys. Okay, fine.
yeah.
Put up though. Just a homework. There's nothing to catch and jump. Leave it. Depending on the choice,
okay.
you change your percentage. Right? My main name is not percentage. My name is not a choice. My main name is that. Right? Depending, as soon as the choice changes, my percentage should also change. I changed neuro to opto immediately. Right? Opto is 9.6. This should be reduced. Second. Whichever field is not there, you have to create it. State new field you have to create. Right? Same GST calculation formula. Write a formula. Now here I'm giving you. Okay, there we go. Depending on the state and department. If state is Telangana state and department is neuro, Telangana state neuro 12.4. Calculate the GST based on 12.4. If I select the state as AP, and if I say that here gyno, AP gyno, how much AP gyno is? 17.5. AP gyno. System should calculate the registration tax, right? Registration fee inclusive of all INCL GST. It should calculate this. Understood? Level 1, level 2.
Yes.
Currently, you will hard code this in the formula.
So,
But later, we will put this in another table, another object called tax. The way we created patient, we'll create another object called as GST, where you will keep on entering the GST rates. State GST rate, Telangana state, ophthalmology, 12.2, Telangana state, gynecology, 14.6, like this. And the system will take it from the table. Now, hard code it. Later we will learn how to take it from another table. Level 1, level 2. Level 1, level 1, level 2. 2 levels of homework. Clear? Everyone, what homework I'm giving you?
Yes, sir.
Right? Do this and show me. Do this and show me. Right? Now class is not yet over. There are a couple of things more I'll show, then I'll let you go. So today we have seen formula field. Today we have seen validation. Right? I gave you the homework also. If you want to take a screenshot, take a screenshot. Take a pic from your mobile if you want.
And just zoom it.
Sorry?
Just zoom it. Screen zoom it just.
I didn't understood. Can you repeat that?
Zoom it, zoom it. Can you just
Oh,
zoom it?
zooms. Okay, sure. Right, definitely, yes. Oh, too much zoom. There we go. So your weekend is spoiled. In real time, you'll get these type of requirements. That's the reason. There's a simple requirements I'm giving you. There could be a lot of complex requirement like this. Clear, everyone? Right? Now let's go ahead. Right? The next thing that we're going to see is called search layout. Search layout. What is a search layout? Whenever you click on the patient tab, you just see one field called patient registration number. You don't see anything else. You type a patient called as, right, ANA and the Anand. All right, press enter. System will search Anand everywhere. Anand is there or not. Yep, in patient there is one Anand. Patient 1, and it shows only Anand there. It shows the patient number. The search is also nothing. It's showing nothing. When I go to the patient, I am able to see this. How can I put various columns here? That you can do it from a place called as search layout. Search layout. Search layout. Right? You can see that for each one of them, you can have a different layout. However, there's a one layout called default layout. I'm changing it and I say edit. I'm in search layout. I click on edit. I add the field. What are the fields that I need? First name, last name, mobile number, registration fee, department. I click on save. Done. Next time you come here, press enter. See the difference now. There we go. Earlier only the patient registration number was showing. Now patient first name Anand Bihari Pandey, mobile number, registration, department. See, everything has populated. Everything has populated. Search layout. What do we call it? Search layout. Right? Default layout that loads on a click of a patient tab. Whenever a tab is clicked, default load layout that loads on tab. When you click a tab, whenever you click a tab, the default layout that load is called search layout. Now I type here ANA and sorry, excuse me. See that? It's showing everything. It's showing everything. Anand Pandey. Anand, first name Anand Bihari, last name Pandey, department nothing, patient. Where we do in the place of called search layout. Can I do it? Edit. All right. Yes, individual profile can have different search layout. This is default one. No, for administrator, I want something different. Here is. It's loading which layout? Default, the one which you have did. No, I want to change it. Edit. For administrator, I don't want to see other than patient. I want him to see something else. Only two things: department and first name. That's it. Only three fields. As soon as you click on save, it will override the default. So I'm not overwriting. I'm letting say the default only. Default. Let the default. We do it from the place called as search layout. Similarly, for classic, in Lightning, everything is different. Everything is same. Sorry, in Lightning, you search here, you click on the tab, both are same. But in Classic, it's not like that. Classic, everywhere it can be different. What does that mean? Switch to Classic. I click on patient. So that it's no more showing. For Classic, it's different. Lightning is different. That is the reason you have two choices here. Right? Search layout. This is for Lightning. We performed it. Search layout for Classic. Now in the Classic tab, I will say edit. Tab. What do you want to see? Only two things: first name, last name. That's it. Total three. Save. Next time, if you come and click on patient or you refresh, you'll be able to see three here. Whereas in Lightning, you have a department also. You have a registration fee also, mobile number also. See, because both are different apps. Database is same, but the application is different. Here, the application is showing only patient first name and last name. There, it's showing something else. You configure from this place called as search layout for Classic. Whenever somebody clicks on search, in Classic, I'm searching now. Sorry, guys, I have a bad cough. So, right, I type ANAND, press enter. So that the search is taking what? Patient first name, last name, mobile number, registration fee. See, that search is taken from the Lightning itself. Only the tab is different. Remaining, it's taken from Lightning. The remaining thing, it's taken from Lightning. Only the tab is different. Remaining all, it's taken from Lightning, even though it's here, but it's taken from Lightning. See, search. Did I put anything? No, it's taken from Lightning. We'll talk about lookups and everything later. Once we do the relationship, then we'll see. So search layouts. Search layout is the place from where the default view of an object, default view on an object tab is called search layout. Default view. Search layout. Right? Search layout. That's it for today. We will stop here. So what are the things that we have learned today? Formula, validation, search layout. By the way, tomorrow morning 9:30 a.m. there is a Lightning batch, Lightning new demo starting up. Those who wish to join, remember that Lightning is a requirement of the next generation. In the sense, every interview will be asking you Lightning development. Right? I'm pinging you the Lightning demo class link in case if somebody would like to join. This is the first call for you to join. As I told you, there'll be 3 such calls. This is the right train. If you miss this train, then you'll be delayed by 2 months, the next train. If you miss the next train, then you'll be delayed by 4 months. That means after completion of your course, if you miss this train, then your complete course, including Lightning, will complete on, what is that, September, right? October, November, December, January. If you miss this train, if you catch the next train, your lightning course will end by January. If you miss that train, your course will end on February or March next year. It'll be too late. That's the reason. First call, every batch, I will give you three calls. Right? You have another 2.5 months left to go for your course. 2 months almost, another 2 to 2.5 months left to go for course. Lightning will also take 2 months. Parallelly, your course will end on time. Both of them will end on time after 3 months. That means your whole October, November is your course ending. Exactly at November, you'll end both. In the end of the November, this course will be ending. Right? So I have pinged you the link. Tomorrow, 9:30 a.m., we'll have a demo class. Sunday onwards, we will start the regular class. Sunday, 9:30 a.m. That's it, guys, for today from my end. Thank you. Have a nice and wonderful day, guys. If you have a doubt, you can ask me for the next 2 minutes, 3 minutes. If you have any questions. Anybody has any questions?
Lightning also.
Sorry?
Lightning also part of a Salesforce, right?
Yeah, it's a part of it. Says Salesforce. You're using, right? That's a lightning development. It's a separate course. It's a part of Salesforce. It is Salesforce. This course, regular course, covers Apex and classic development. Lightning development it's cover Visualforce, classic development, Visualforce. All this lightning screen that you're able to see, right? All this lightning screen that you're able to see, to develop the screen, whenever I click on switch to lightning, right? Switch to lightning. All that's the screen. If you want to build, how can I build the screen? How can I build the home page for Apollo Hospital? Through lightning. We cannot build through lightning only, right? Whenever you click on this, right? I want to build this component. I want to change this, that upper part of this. Can you change it? Can you change it? No, you cannot. I want to change it. So that's where the lightning class is. How to change this upper part. As soon as I want to put multiple buttons here, my own buttons. How can I put it? I don't want it to come here. I want it to be placed here. So all these are covered as a part of lightning development course. All these things that you see in the screen are lightning development. Right? Whatever we cannot do, can I change the font? Can I change the color? Can I put a picture? Right? All these things have to do through a lightning development course only.
Okay, but its effect on compact layout.
Sorry?
If that's your lightning screen, that's same as it is a view on mobile view.
No, mobile view is different.
Okay.
It's a Salesforce one.
Mr. Rupam, is there any, can these validation rules be bypassed while data importing? No, right?
No, you cannot.
So
if you write a validation rule, it will be applicable everywhere. Even in data loads also, it will be valid. It will be there.
Okay.
Okay. So that's it, guys. Let's meet on Monday, same time. So tomorrow, those who are joining, that's good. Have a nice and wonderful weekends. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.